Hi everyone. So today I thought I would share a little project I've been working on a bit. It's still quite early stage, but I think it can be useful for some people. So what it does is that if you have an iPhone or Android, you can get ARKit blend shapes using like VTube Studio, iFacial mocap, or Meowface. However, with this Mediapipe thing that it's called, you can get it with a webcam as well. So I wrote a little implementation that the program will pretend to be like a VTube Studio and send data in a similar format. So you can use it in like VCFace, the Blender add-on. I think you can use it in, I think VTube Studio for PC also has. I don't know, maybe. If it's VTube Studio compliant, you can use it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to install it and show you a bit of how the tracking looks, so far at least. So it's a Python program. So first you need to install Python, which is not too advanced. You go to Python website, python.org, downloads, click the download button. It's a next installation, so shouldn't be that difficult. The only thing that you have to do is I think it's the first page on the installer, you have to check this box down here, add Python to path, whatever version you're installing, but add to path. So that one needs to be checked, otherwise it won't work. And then to download the program, you go to my GitHub. I will link it below. And then to download it, you click the blue code, or green maybe, depending on your theme, I think. So you click that one and then download zip. Then you get the zip file, you open it, extract, I put it on desktop. And then we can open this one. So what you get in this is install.bat here and run.bat. So install will create the environment, install everything you need to run it. So I'm gonna double click that one and it will prepare itself. So in the meantime, we need to download the Mediapipe task for the face tracking, or for the face AI. I think it's like the AI model for the face or something. But we need to download it. So at the bottom, I put the link to it. So how to run, step 2, download face tracker task. Click that one, you get the task file and drop it into wherever you put the Mediapipe VT. But yeah, then it's prepared. And I'm gonna wait for this install script to finish and then I come back. Okay, so now it's finished. So I'm gonna close this one. Now we can press the run.bat. We run this one instead. Run. And I already know that this is not gonna work because my camera is not my first camera, because I have a capture card. So my camera is the second camera. So it says here in the bottom, failed to get the image from camera, try another camera. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this run.bat in my notepad. So notepad. And here on the line python tracker.py, I'm gonna add -c, and then my camera is on slot 1. So 0 is the first slot, but on slot 1 is the second slot. So if I put it on 1, it will now find my camera. If I run it again. Ah, yes. So I'm actually using iPhone to track myself right now, and it's fighting over this program. So I'm gonna stop my iPhone. So like this. Now this isn't as accurate or as good as iPhone tracking, and it's like 5 FPS or 10 FPS. It's not too fast, and I don't really think you can get it too much faster either. But what I'm recording currently is my Blender add-on, and the Blender add-on doesn't have any interpolation built in. However, VCFace has interpolation built in, so we can try use that one and see if it looks better. So I'm gonna stop myself here, like this. Remove, and then in VCFace, I'm gonna go to Settings, General, and then we scroll down here. We have the iPhone ARKit tracking receiver option. So this program pretends to be an iPhone or a VTube Studio on an iPhone. So we're gonna check that one, and it will start tracking us. Now this already looks better than on the Blender add-on, because it has interpolation. I think it is a setting for tweaking the interpolation as well, this one. So if we reduce to 0, you get this jittery, what do you call it, this 10 FPS. But if we increase it a bit, we can get somewhere in between, maybe. If you put too much, it won't even. But yeah, this looks pretty okay. But yeah, you can tweak this yourself to get a good setting, I guess. But yeah, this is this is all for the showcasing. So I hope you find it useful. If you're gonna try it, it'll be fun to hear from you. Please write in the comments. But yeah, that's all for today. I will see you another time. Bye bye.